To change the blade, we need to get the tool. If yours is providing the tool, is located right here, you pull it out. It will be very difficult to get, but here's your tool. Then you need to have, you can use your hand or you can use this screwdriver, but you need to stop this blade from rotating. You can put the blade, you can put a screwdriver on the teeth like this, and as it spins, it will catch that guard and no longer spin. Put the tool here and undo it. I'm going to elect to just hold the blade. Let me see. It's getting to be comical to me. Okay, we're going to put the screwdriver here. Okay. Focus on the right here. When this thing comes out, there's two of these. Most likely there's two of these. Okay, make sure you put them in the correct position. There's one in the back of the blade, one in the front of the blade. The one in the front goes like this, and the one in the back goes like that. So they will be touching the blade. You will pull the blade out. You should have another one right here. Again, it goes like this. Okay. The blades have different teeth. I like you can buy different teeth for different purposes. This is a 24 teeth. It's 7 1/4, and from home use, probably going to last you a long time. We're pretty much done. Again, you can use the screwdriver to hold the blade, or you can hold it with your hands and gloves, whichever you prefer. But that's it. Basically, you spin it and you're done. And good luck.